guys, how are you? So this video is about the dentist that we take our kids here in Puerto Vallarta. The place is called Oceanic and it is fantastic. Dr. Irina is wonderful. The kids love going there. They've already been there twice. The first initial exam, she always gives you an overview of the children's mouth. She does a full exam on each child. And then the second visit that we did was also a cleaning, but we didn't do a full exam. She talks about how great their teeth look. We do clean their teeth here in Vallarta every 3 months, and we will continue to do that.
Yeah, we didn't realize, and actually Dr. Irene explained it to us, that in Mexico, children are prone to cavities at a very early age because of the sugar content. They are given sugar from day one. There's a lot of soda being drunk here in Mexico. Their daycares, they give them sweets, candy all the time. Even when they drink aguas frescas for lunch, fruit infused aguas, they're all filled with sugar. They add sugar to all that stuff.
Yeah.
So it's not uncommon for a 3 or a 4-year-old to already have missing teeth, cavities, or abscess. So this is why it's extremely important here in Mexico to take care of the children's teeth.
Absolutely. So that's why we decided just to be doing their teeth cleanings here every 3 months. It's very inexpensive. It's $50 that we paid per child, or I'm sorry, not per child, it was for both. $50 for both, so $25 per child, and we couldn't be more happier with her and her services. The kids love going there. She makes it very welcoming. She has toys at her entrance when you walk in. It's very warm in there, colorful. She has this crocodile that has like a fake teeth in there, and she shows them this is how the teeth they're supposed to be looking. So it's really awesome, and she just makes them feel so, like, the kids so happy and calm that, I don't know, this is definitely her calling.
Yeah, and
she
is so welcoming that actually kids are excited about going to the doctor, and they're so proud when they open their mouth and the doctor says they have nice teeth. They get so excited. It's very rewarding.
Yeah.
And then every time we mention that it's time for them to go to the dentist to have their teeth cleaned, they are very happy to go.
Yeah, like if she tells them they open wide and they do what they're told. So yeah, 1,100 pesos, equivalent to about $50 US. It's definitely worth it. The place is called Oceanic. I will link it below, and the location as well. I also have to add that, she doesn't normally work at certain hours, but because the schedule wasn't working for us, she went out of her way and she opened up her clinic for us in the evening to do the teeth cleaning for both of our boys, which I totally appreciated. The kids finished school at around 5:30, so the fact that she was able to do that and fit us in, that was really nice of her, right?
Yeah.
So definitely appreciate that. But yeah, she's wonderful. So check her out, Dr. Irina. Place is called Oceanic.